I'm using this piece of hair. Now this is Nature Spirit and it's spinning bear hair, right, but it's no belly hair, it's flank. Right, it's probably off a white tail by the looks of it. Nice and coarse. Quite a lot of underfur in it. It's not the greatest piece of hair, but it's a decent length and it's the best that was in the shop. You don't need to use exclusively belly hair, right? But I would recommend when you're starting out, belly hair is probably the best to work with. So I'm going to take a good thick bunch, right? I mean, people talk about pencils, I'd say it's a pencil and a half, 2 pencils. I get my comb, I get my fine comb. Clean it all out. Any fluff and rubbish, broken bits of hair. Right, as I said, there's quite a lot under for it's no the best piece of hair. You need to thoroughly clean it, but I've lost a good quarter pencil, I would say there, right, if I hold that up. You know, you can see that it's a smaller bunch. Now for this bug, for Taps bug, you don't need to stack any tips, right? Just cut them away. And I'm going to offer this up right on top here. Now, as I said, I've got a nice smooth body, right? It's no bumpy, even and it tapers away. And I don't have a hard bump edge, right? There's the back here at the tail where the weed guard's tied in, right? But otherwise it's relatively smooth. But because I've trimmed the tips away, I'll be able to see where the end of the body is. Now, spinning's easy. 1, 2, 2 full turns. Come into the third and just pull it and it'll go. Right? That's it. You see I pull that, it's turning another, it's rotating slightly, and that's it. I'm supporting the hook here because I'm putting a fair bit of pressure. I can take another wrap and you just sweep it and work your thread forward. Now I'm going to pack the hair. Got to grip it very firmly with my offhand and push in. Right, get that in. Can hold that back. There's 4 wraps of thread in there. And to make it tougher, if you want to, you can come in and put just a wee spot. It's a wee drop of liquid fusion, right?